Hi, second grade. This is your spelling test. Remember to type your first and last name at the top of this test. Remember that you can pause the video if you need more time spelling a word and play the video when you're ready for the next word. Remember to type all your words in lowercase letters and to type the correct word next to the correct number. Let's begin. Number 1, free. A bird flew free from its cage. Free. Number 2, teach. Carlos will teach me to draw. Teach. Number 3, teeth. Please brush your teeth. Teeth. Number 4, please. It's polite to say please. Please. Number 5, each. We each got an apple. Each. Number 6, wheel. The wheel is round. Wheel. Number 7, team. Anne is on the soccer team. Team. Number 8, speak. May I speak to your mom? Speak. Number 9, sneeze. A cold can make you sneeze. Sneeze. Number 10, sheep. The sheep grazed in the field. Sheep. Number 11, meaning. What is the meaning? Meaning. Number 12, weave. The spider can weave a web. Weave. Number 13, away. My friend moved away. Away. Number 14, stain. Don't stain your clothes. Stain. Number 15, train. Maria will train her dog to sit. Train. Number 16, plain. Dad wears a plain white shirt. Plain. Number 17, between. Sit between us. Between. Number 18, reason. Is there a reason you're late? Reason.